Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're reviewing what we believe is the best Gerber Burp Cloth set for baby girls. The Gerber Baby Unisex Muslin Burp Cloths 5-pack in multi-pink floral. Whether you're a new parent or searching for the perfect baby shower gift, stay tuned, because we're diving into every detail of this beautifully practical essential. Let's start with the first impression, and this one's a strong one. The Gerber Muslin Burp Cloths come in a charming mix of 2 solid colors and 3 playful prints, all wrapped in soft pastel pinks and florals. The design is intentionally neutral enough to mix and match with nearly any baby outfit, but with just enough flair to stand out on its own. It feels modern, gentle, and perfectly suited for a baby girl. When it comes to material, these burp cloths are made of pre-washed muslin cotton, a go-to fabric in baby care for good reason. It's known for being ultra-soft, breathable, and especially gentle on newborns' delicate skin. The pre-washing not only ensures that they're soft right out of the box, but it also reduces the chance of shrinking after the first few washes. And yes, they are fully machine washable, a must for anything that's going to deal with baby spit up. Now, size really matters with burp cloths, and Gerber clearly kept that in mind. Each cloth measures a generous 20 by 10 inches. That gives you plenty of shoulder coverage while burping your little one, and it's also long enough to double as a quick cleanup rag, nursing cover, or even a light swaddle in a pinch. These aren't just accessories, they're tools, well-sized, functional, and designed with real parenting in mind. One of the key advantages of this pack is variety. With 5 cloths in the set, you'll have more than enough to keep one in your diaper bag, one at the changing station, one near the crib, and still have extras ready while some are in the laundry. The combination of solids and prints keeps it fresh, and visually, it's hard not to smile every time you pull one out. And while they look great, the performance is what seals the deal. Muslin is naturally absorbent, and these cloths do a fantastic job of handling drool, spit up, or whatever else your baby throws your way. The fabric is lightweight but multi-layered enough to soak things up without leaking through to your clothes. And despite being so soft, they feel durable and stitched to last through months of daily use. And speaking of gifting, this is an excellent pick for baby showers. It checks all the boxes. It's functional, gender-appropriate with a soft feminine touch, and beautifully packaged. It's something new parents will actually use, and use often. In summary, the Gerber Baby Unisex Muslin Burp Cloths in multi-pink floral deliver exactly what you'd hope for. Soft, large, washable, adorable cloths that make daily baby care a bit easier and a lot more stylish. From the quality of the fabric to the thoughtful design and fair price, it's no surprise this set has become an Amazon's choice item and a go-to for parents around the world. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you make your decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews tailored to real-life parenting needs. See you in the next one.